you're not reading the title wrong. Looks like Antelope Audio is following in the footsteps of their competitors. They're going native. Now, there's not a lot of information out there regarding this. If we take a look up here, 3 weeks ago, this article was posted. But in my opinion, they have some of the best plugins. They also have emulation of gear that nobody else is touching. So it does make sense that they go native. And if you ever mixed with DSP, I'm not talking about recording with DSP, because personally, I still think there's room for DSP. Anyway, that's another video. But if you mix with DSP, because some people still do, eventually you run out of DSP power. And that means you can't use your favorite compressor or EQ. You have to print, do all that fun stuff. But here's the concern. So what happens to us? The guys that already purchased into the system. Do we have to jump on that subscription? Are we going to get them free? You know, it's a question, and it's a valid question. If we go ahead and go over to their store, you're going to notice some of their plugins are between $95 to $100. Now this one, the SSL stuff, a little bit more pricey. You know, they even have the auto-tune DSP, which is awesome. If I go back to the gear space, there's actually a link here for more information and to check out current included effects. Please visit this link. And if you click it, it just redirects back to their site. So it looks like they took it down. So I don't know what to say. When more information comes in, I'll make that follow up. But in the meantime, here's what I want you to do. Check the description. There's going to be some information there. Give this video a thumbs up. First time watching, press that subscribe button. Press the bell for future notifications. I want to thank you for watching my video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.